So as we've entered the house, again, you will be greeted with your living area. But it has a division.
Yes, Sir Alan. So, mapapansin mo, ito si Melton, siya yung different layout and design compared kay Ian. So, pagpasok mo from the door, ang sasalubong muna sa iyo is the living area.
Yes.
So, separate naman siya from the dining area.
Yes.
So, yan, Sir Alan, as we go here naman, ito yung kanyang pinaka-dining area. So, same with the 2 model unit, 6-seater tayo. Then, pwede rin maging 8-seater. Depende sa preferred ni client.
And also, again, meron siyang access with your dirty kitchen.
Yes, Sir Alan. Ito yung merong
no?
sinasabi kong pa-chef effect. So,
Oo.
pagka galing nagluluto dyan, pwede na kagad ibigay mo ni chef yung ulam.
Oo nga,
Ready mo
galing.
ready mo dito.
Very nice.
So, same with that. 2-door rep is included. Meron din tayong mini pantry here. Yan. Then, additional storage sa ating itaas. At yan. So, storage talaga para sa mga clients. Yan, lalo na tayo, may time mag-store ng mga food.
Tsaka favorite ko talaga yung mga
Pull-out trays.
pull-out trays. Yan.
So, same din nung kanina, may mga pull-out trays din siya included. So, hindi na kailangan pa mag-isip ng client kung kanino siya magpapakabit. Kasama na siya. Then, ito naman yung daan natin going sa So, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, siya yung may access sa side door, diretso na siya kagad. So, dito naman, Sir Alan, ito naman yung toilet and bath sa ground floor. So, gaya ng dalawa kanina, everything is included na dyan. Even the shower enclosure, shower head, yung bidet natin, yung toilet, and the mirror.
And right beside the toilet and bathroom, so you have your own bedroom on the ground floor, no?